COVID-19 or coronavirus pandemic changed the lifestyle and living standards of the people throughout the universe since November 2019. COVID-19 is a communicable disease which spread in the air one person to another person. The COVID-19 pandemic is originated in Wuhan city in China in 2019 and it spreaded to US, Brazil, Australia and gradually all over the world from November 2019 onwards. COVID-19 pandemic is a new of its kind. It has no medicine and no vaccine. Prevention precautions is only the cure to COVID-19. COVID-19 pandemic disturbed the affections and family relations. It also disturbed the living standards and lifestyles. Due to COVID-19 pandemic, children and students are away from schools and colleges. All offices are shut. No fly skies. No buses plying. No cinema halls and no shopping malls. No productions. No religious congregations and pujas in the temples. No trains. No flights. Below 10 years children, above 65 years persons are restricted to come out from their houses and they only confined to houses due to COVID-19 pandemic. It is very pitiable condition to them. COVID-19 pandemic active cases and deaths as on 1st September 2020 in the world. As per the World Health Organization report, the COVID-19 active cases in the world from 1st September 2020. The COVID-19 confirmed cases are 2,52,98,875 and deaths are 8,47,602. United States of America is the highest COVID-19 cases recorded and Brazil is second and India is the third place in the world. The US also have the highest deaths in the world. COVID-19 cases in India from 30th January 2020 to 1st September 2020. The active confirmed cases are 36,91,166 and deaths are 65,288. COVID-19 cases in US from 20th January 2020 to 1st January 2020. The confirmed cases are 59,36,572 and deaths are 1,82,162. The COVID-19 cases in Brazil from 26th February 2020 to 1st September 2020. The confirmed cases are 38,62,311 and deaths are 1,20,828. COVID-19 cases in Russian Federation from 31st January 2020 to 1st September 2020. The confirmed cases are 9,95,319 and deaths are 17,176. The COVID-19 cases in Peru from 7th March 2020 to 1st September 2020. The confirmed cases are 6,47,166 and deaths are 28,788. COVID-19 cases in South Africa from 5th March 2020 to 1st September 2020. The confirmed cases are 6,25,056 and deaths are 14,028. COVID-19 cases in Colombia from 6th March 2020 to 1st September 2020. The confirmed cases are 6,07,938 and deaths are 19,364. COVID-19 cases in Mexico from 28 February 2020 to 1st September 2020. The confirmed cases are 5,95,841 and deaths are 64,158. In Spain, COVID-19 cases from 2nd February 2020 to 1st September 2020. The confirmed cases are 4,39,286 and deaths are 29,011. COVID-19 cases in Chile from 3rd March 2020 to 1st September 2020. The confirmed cases are 4,11,726 and deaths are 11,289. COVID-19 cases in Argentina from 3rd March 2020 to 1st September 2020. The confirmed cases are 4,08,426 and deaths are 8,498. In Iran, Islamic Republic, COVID-19 from February 19, 2020 to 1st September 2020. The confirmed cases are 3,75,212 and deaths are 21,571. COVID-19 symptoms. COVID-19 affects different people in different ways. Most infected people will develop mild to moderate illness and recover without hospitalization. COVID-19 most common symptoms: fever, dry cough, tiredness. COVID-19 less common symptoms: aches and pains, sore throat, diarrhea, conjunctivitis, headache, loss of taste or smell, a rash on skin, or discoloration of fingers or toes. COVID-19 serious symptoms: difficulty breathing or shortness of breath, chest pain or pressure, loss of speech or movement. Seek immediate medical attention if you have serious symptoms. Always call before visiting your doctor or health facility. People with mild symptoms who are otherwise healthy should manage their symptoms at home. On average, it takes 5 to 6 days from when someone is infected with the virus for symptoms to show. However, it can take up to 14 days. Precautions for COVID-19. Self-care. If you feel sick, you should rest, drink plenty of fluid, and eat nutritious food. Stay in a separate room from other family members and use a dedicated bathroom if possible. Clean and disinfect frequently touched surfaces. Everyone should keep a healthy lifestyle at home. Maintain a healthy diet, sleep, stay active, and make social contact with loved ones through the phone or internet. Children need extra love and attention from adults during difficult times. Keep to regular routines and schedules as much as possible. It is normal to feel sad, stressed, or confused during a crisis. Talking to people you trust, such as friends and family, can help. If you feel overwhelmed, talk to a health worker or counselor. COVID 19 safety measures. Protect yourself and others around you by knowing the facts and taking appropriate precautions. Follow advice provided by your local health authority. To prevent the spread of COVID 19, clean your hands often, use soap and water or an alcohol based hand rub. Maintain a safe distance 6 feet from anyone who is coughing or sneezing. Wear a mask when physical distancing is not possible. Do not touch your eyes, nose, or mouth. Cover your nose and mouth with your bent elbow or a tissue when you cough or sneeze. Stay home if you feel unwell. If you have a fever, cough, and difficulty breathing, seek medical attention. Calling in advance allows your healthcare provider to quickly direct you to the right health facility. This protects you and prevents the spread of viruses and other infections. Masks. Masks can help prevent the spread of the virus from the person wearing the mask to others. Masks alone do not protect against COVID 19 and should be combined with physical distancing and hand hygiene. Follow the advice provided by your local health authority.